Hi there. So I am Nagaraj Meharwade. So my colleague Sonia Madiwalar. So today we are going to deal about the LG company. Content, the history part and the company profile and the market share and the competition and competitor market share and the product life and the branch location, growth story, financial details, conclusion. History of LG India. LG Electronic India Private Limited, a whole owned subsidiary of LG Electronic of South Korea, was established in January 1997 after clearance from a Foreign Investment Promotion Board. LG set up a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, a Greater Noida near Delhi, in 1998 with the investment of a 500 crores. It has been started like the LG, which the company has been facilitated in a Greater Noida near Delhi in a 1998 with the investment of 500 crores. In a 2004, LG also up its second greenfield manufacturing unit in Pune, Maharashtra. LG plans to set up 500 crore units in a south. Next slide, please.
The company was originally established in 1958 as a Golden Star, producing ratios, TVs, refrigerators, washing machine, and air conditioner. So in 1958, there was a production of TVs, refrigerator, washing machine at a high rate. So next, the LG Group was a merge of two Korean companies, Lucky and Gold Star. So this company and Lucky Star had a merged thing with a subsidiary in the second largest producer of television and third largest producer of mobile phones.
Voice कैसा थे ले?
So the headquarters is in Seoul and South Korea. So you can go to the website www.lg.com, and even the CEO is LG Group Vice Chairman Young Nam. Next slide.
Competitive analysis. Here it comes the marketing, the LG of competitors, and also market share has been shared in the next slide. And Sensu, Samsung, BPL, and Onida, Videocon, Sony. Many are there in the LG competitors. So these are the few we have been taken for the competitive analysis. Next slide, please. The market share. The LG Electronic that was once a world third largest handset maker and saw it's a future phone business picked some 10 years back, was the new year never serious considered it the fastest growing India market. Industry watchers retired on Monday. According to the Tarun Pathak, associate director at a Counterpoint Research, LG had a 0.15% market share in a 2019, 0.3% in a 2020. Next slide.
Next slide. So this increased share was one-time festive season in 2020, but otherwise the company's share has been stagnant at 0.15%. Their success at large customer appliances couldn't fit the sale of mobile devices. So here with the mobile devices, they couldn't increase their sale. So at the festival time, they targeted the festival peoples so they can bring their sales to the larger rate. Next one, this year, LG was scheduled at launch a smartphone with a rollable OLED display after it teased the product at the Consumer Electronics Show. It was of 2021 rate. According to industry experts, from a strategic perspective, LG is positioned for a long-term success in its core business areas, including customer electronic as well as the moonshots, such as EVS and even emerging opportunities is connected homes. Next slide. According to market researchers, Counterpoint Research, LG was the world's 9th largest smartphone vendor after shopping to 24.7 million smartphones last year, down 13% from a year earlier. So here there was a like later after some few months, they got sudden increase with the smartphones with the 24.7 million shippings. Next slide.
Challenges faced by the LG when it entered into the India. So as we can see that the low brand awareness of about the LG in India. So they started the low prices for the LG company, they which a product. Competition faced for Samsung, Sony, and Panasonic as they entered in India in 1995, where LG entered in a 1997. There were a competition, huge competition, like they faced like Samsung, Sony, and Panasonic. LG has to pay high import duty and the price sensitive of a Indian consumer. So it's from North Korea, right? So that's the reason. So LG has to come from that. So that's the reason they have a high import duty and the competition from a local player and other multinational company in consumer electronic segment. Next slide, please.
So these are the product list: home appliances and air solution, refrigerator, washing machine, dishwasher, cooking appliances, vacuum cleaners, air conditioners, air purifiers. So here is the home appliances which are usually mainly used for homemade people. Next is home entertainment: TVs, audio and video, monitors, PCs, accessories, commercial products. Next, mobile applications like smartphones and all add up here. Vehicle component solutions. Next slide. Branch location. So this is a branch location. Founder is OMQ. The origin Gold Star. Headquarters is in LG Twin Tower, 128 Udong. So here the district is Seoul and South Korea. Area served is worldwide. Next slide.
Okay, as we can see that growth story of LG. LG Electronic earned $100 million in a revenue from the export from the first time in history. Rapid growth by globalization saw his company established in a first overseas production based on the United States in the 1982. In 1994, Gold Star officially adopted the LG Electronic brand and a new corporate logo. It has been officially announced that Gold Star officially adopted the LG Electronic brand and a new corporate logo. Next slide. Financial details.
Okay, can continue.
The financial results are reported in accordance with the International Financial Reporting Standard and as adopted by the Republic of Korea. So as we know, so it is from South Korea. It has been adopted by the Republic of Korea. Next slide, please. Financial highlights. So financial highlights. So as we can see that it's a consolidated. So year by year, 2018, 2019, 2020. So we can see that the sale of 61,342 billion. So and in 2019, so 61,342 and 2020, 63,262. So we can see that the sale has been increased in a year by year, 2018, 2019, and 2020. And the operating profit or loss, as we can see, there was a loss of 2,703. Like in a 2018, it was a 2,703, and as we can see that in 2020, there was a huge profit, as also in the 3,195 was a loss, and the net profits we can see that 1,473 in a 2018, as we can see in a 2024 to 2020, we can see that 2064. There were a high gap, like there were a less loss in a 2019, and the total assets was a 44,328, and in a like we can see that 2019 there were a little bit gap, and there was not much huge total assets, and in a 2020 for 48,204, and total assets we can see that there were as the increase in the sale, and also the total liability also in the same reason, like 30,662. The total shareholder equity in a 2018 16,307, In 2019, 16,425, and 2020, 17,542. Next slide, please.
So this is the income statement where you can see income statement 2019, 2018, 19, and 20. Here the KRW of sales is 61,342, and 2019 goes to 62,306, and 2020 goes to 63,262, where you can see a rapid increase in the sales rate, where in 2020 there is a little decrease. So cost of goods sold is 46,261 in 2018, 46,971 in 2019, and 2020 is 46,945. So here also there is an increase. So gross profit goes to 15,081, and in 2019 15,336, and in 2020 16,317. Operating income here is under loss, where you can see 2000 in 2018 it is 2,703, 2019 is 2,436, and in 2020 it is 3,195. So profit is 2009. So here profit in 2018 is 2009, and 2019 is 529, and 2,456 in 2020. So here all the net profit of all the consolidated year goes to 473, and 1,180, and 2,064. So this is the income statement.
Next slide, please.
You can continue. You can continue, Nagraj. So, okay, this is a statement of financial position, where the consolidated of KRW BN is on 2018. The assets, current assets, non-current assets goes to 44,328, and 19,363, and 24,963. In 2019, it is 44,860, and the current assets goes to 19,754, and non-current assets goes to 25,106. So 2020 year is 48,204, 23,239, and 24,952. So here you can just check out liabilities also, and the equity goes to 16,307, 16,425, and 70,542. This is a total financial position of LG. Next slide.
So here it comes for the conclusion of LG. The mobile phone Nokia is a market leader, followed by the Sony Ericsson. LG is an emerging player, direct competition with Samsung, owing to the similar use prescription. Refrigerator, LG is a dominant player. The market of other players have a segmented market share, unstructured positioning of all other players. So it was came into the market when they have been faced like Nokia and the Samsung, Sony. So they have been faced a huge, and also they have been competitive with each other. So it was a conclusion, and the next part. Next slide, please.
So air conditioners, LG is a dominant player in the market. Closer user prescription shared with Walls LG, rated low on technical assets like noise levels. Hitachi was positioned high for producing low voice. So here there was a competition with the technology, where there was a LG low rated with a noise approach, where Hitachi was positioned at a high level. Next is LCD television. Sony is a market leader in LCD TV segments. Samsung, like here, goes to LG. Very similar, uses prescription, directly competing with each other. So next slide.